Diba si Us? Ay, di na to. Yan.
Hello.
Grabe yung ano niya. Oh, Ellie, look! What's that, Ellie? Look at that! Oh! Hello!
It's the deers.
Tingnan mo,
I think this is
oh.
a
Nasaan
male.
na si ano?
Sa male deer.
Maybe it's a Rudolph.
Oh, nice. It's coming closer to you.
Rudolph! Rudolph!
Yun,
Ayan,
mas,
totoo.
mas malaki
Nakatingin
yan
sa'yo.
doon, no?
Nakatingin siya sa'yo.
Hmm.
Nag-aantay ng food. We don't have
Food.
any food to give.
You're not allowed to feed. Yeah.
Okay.
Just say hello. Can I?
Oh.
It says it's non-citrus fruit.
Ayun na lang. Ano na yan?